Making cupcakes at home with just 3 ingredients is a simple yet delightful process. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of self-raising flour, half a cup of castor sugar, and 2 eggs. These basic ingredients will form the base of your cupcakes. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and line a cupcake tray with paper liners. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, combine the self-raising flour and castor sugar. Mix these dry ingredients until they are well blended. Next, crack the eggs into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Using an electric mixer or a whisk, beat the mixture until it becomes smooth and creamy. Be sure to mix thoroughly to ensure that no lumps remain in the batter. Once your batter is ready, spoon it evenly into the lined cupcake tray, filling each cup about 2/3 full. This ensures that the cupcakes have enough room to rise while baking. Place the tray in the preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a cupcake comes out clean. Allow the cupcakes to cool in the tray for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. These 3-ingredient cupcakes are perfect on their own, or you can top them with your favorite frosting or a dusting of powdered sugar for an extra touch of sweetness. Enjoy your homemade treats.